Welcome, today in front of me TCL 3L6, and I'll show you all of the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's open the box first, and here we can see the TCL charger brick in just black color, the original one with all of the specs here. The second thing we can see that this is the USB cable. The USB-C cable. Also we have here the SIM jack tool and some paperwork as the warranty card, the quick start guide and the safety guide. So that's it. There are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.